Okay, people, good morning to you again. All right, I had my mangoes, and so I'm feeling re-energized after a night of going back and forth to the bathroom because I took a colon cleanse. So now I want to really solidify this dehydration process. So what I have here that I'm getting ready to make is a juice that is very high in hydration, and also it will give you energy from the natural sweetness. It's not going to be that sweet at all because this is more, like I said, about hydration. So what do I have here? I have 5 key limes. I've already peeled 4 of them, but I want to do one for you on camera just so you can see how I peeled them. Because I don't want to, usually I throw the whole thing right in the juicer when I'm making a citrus drink, but well, sometimes, because there's a citrus drink that I make that I peel everything, but you don't want it to be too bitter and too strong. So I just take off the peel of the key lime. So I'm getting ready to take the peel off of this one. So you take the 2 heads off, and then you just kind of go around the edges like this. All right. And the citrus in the morning is always very good, especially for those of us that are trying to lose fat around our bodies, our bellies, because citrus eats away that fat. It does a very good job at that. So I have 3 cucumbers. Cucumbers, extremely hydrating. And I forgot to rinse these, so I'm going to go give these a quick rinse. And these are organic. Look at my hole. That's me walking around the house comfortable. These are my favorite pants, actually, because they're very comfortable. Anyway, so I got 3 cucumbers that I'm going to cut up and run through the juice extractor. All right, now keep in mind, if you can't get organic cucumbers, because a lot of times what they do is they put a wax around the cucumber to keep the animals away, I guess. And you can feel that wax when you touch the cucumbers. So if that's the case, if it has the wax around it, you want to peel the cucumber first. All right. But I love the fact that these are organic, no wax around it, because I get to enjoy the benefits of the skin of the cucumber, which is very good for your skin. Amongst other things, it helps to give you that glow. So I'm going to enjoy consuming every bit of this cucumber. So basically, I'm just cutting it so that it's small enough to fit through the juicer. I actually should have gotten my other juicer, but the reason, well, maybe I could still get it. Hang on a minute, because yeah, I think that juicer would do better for the cucumbers. But anyway, I'm gonna do it like this for this video with this particular juicer. It could have actually gone a lot faster with the other one. I'm just so used to using this one because usually I'm juicing leafy greens, and this juicer here, this Omega 8600 series, is very good for leafy greens when you want to start getting into juicing your herbs like cilantro, which is very good for ridding the body of heavy toxic metals. Okay, and parsley and all those other kind of things, but we'll get into that in another video. So I got all my cucumbers cut, and I forgot to get the bowl. Give me 1 second. All right. So I got a bowl to catch the pulp and a bowl to catch the juice. Now, I lost the original containers that I would use. You know what? Okay, scratch this. because these bowls are too big for this juicer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the other juicer. Bear with me for 1 second. I'll set this over here. Let's go ahead and pull this baby out. All right. This juicer has a wider feed. You can give it more at one time. And since I'm not doing any leafy greens in this recipe, it's going to work perfectly. All the key limes I'm just going to throw in there all at one time. Now for this, I like to line. Hold on. I like to line this with a plastic bag to just eliminate some of the annoying cleanup. Mommy's getting ready to make some good juice. Yeah, we're going to have some good juice, Jaja. So, there. That's aligned. So, now, what I can do is just put this catcher right under here with the strainer. I use a strainer because I just like when juices come out nice and smooth. So, it catches all the annoying pulp that you don't really want to feel going down. All right. So I got the juicer ready. I got my cucumbers cut, key limes, and we're going to use almost a cup of pure cane juice. Go put it back. All right. And we're going to use the juice of a coconut. All right. So let's get this started and see how this goes. All right. First, we're going to, let me think about this. Let's empty this into here instead. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and just pour this coconut water in here. Coconut water is full of electrolytes that are so good for the body. The body needs electricity to work properly. So I'm going to set this here. And I'm going to get this juicing going. All right. Let's get her done. Yep, let me do it. Okay, so that's done. That's done. Now I'm going to run this through the strainer with the coconut water in there. I'm adding the cucumbers and the limes. Okay. Limes are more alkaline than lemons. So okay.
Okay. All right.
All right. So push that aside. See, now we have our cane juice, and I'm just going to pour it all in there. Now, I'm going to get a spoon to mix it. Give this a rinse. Probably don't even really have to mix it because I'm getting ready to pour it right in that pitcher. Let's give it a taste. Absolutely refreshing. Absolutely refreshing. Not too sweet. The cucumber gives it a very nice taste. The limes add something so nice to it. And that coconut water is just a beautiful blend. All right. So me and my baby boy, Joshua Nile, are going to enjoy this beautiful drink later. And not that much later because, like I said, I'm extremely drained and dehydrated from that colon cleanse last night. So anyway, yeah. So think of some names you want to call this, but for now, we'll call it electric juice. Come up with something better and leave me some suggestions. All right. Love, light, and wellness to you all.